Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, I'm Pranjali. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm creating this very traditional saffron color inspired makeup look in the honor of the upcoming festival of Janmashtami. So if you want to know how I got this look, let's get started. For the skin prep, I'm first applying this hydrating primer by Makeup Forever on my dry patches, followed by the Milani Prime Perfection for the rest of my face as I have a normal skin. And to blur and fill in my pores, I'm using the Baby Skin Insta Pore Eraser Primer. For foundation, I'm using the PAC HD Liquid Foundation in the shade 3.9 and I'm avoiding the areas like my under eye area, forehead, chin and nose as I'm going to cover it with concealer, and applying too much product can make it look cakey. And to blend it, I'm using a damp beauty blender. You can also use a brush if you want more coverage, but I choose a beauty blender because I love that sheer finish on my skin. For highlighting, I'm using the PAC Takeover Concealer in the shades Stark Nude and Beach Sand on my forehead, under eyes, chin and nosy, and I'm blending it using my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cuffs and Lashes. I love how lightweight and creamy this concealer is. It does not cling on to my dry patches and it looks really natural. To give my face some structure and dimension, I am cream contouring with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Beautiful Bronze. And to blend it, I am using an angled flat top kabuki brush from Cuffs and Lashes. And to blend its edges, I am using a damp sponge. And for my nose, I am using my smaller pencil brush by Real Techniques. Clean up underneath my cheekbones, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige, and I'm blending it using my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cuffs and Lashes. And to blend the edges, I'm using a damp beauty sponge. And to set my concealer, I'm lightly dusting it with New York Master Fix Setting Loose Powder. To bring back some warmth to my face, I'll be applying some bronzer, and this will go right on top of my contour. This one's Hoola bronzer, and I'm applying this with my angled flat brush. To bring some flush of color to my cheeks, I'm using this coral shade from Sivana Colors palette, and I'm first depositing it with my angled brush and then I'm blending it with my powder brush by Real Techniques. For highlighter, I am going with the shade Moonstone from Sun-Dipped Glow Kit palette by ABH Cosmetics, and applying this on the highest points of my cheeks and the bridge and tip of my nose using my highlighting brush. For For my brows, I'm using this brown eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette. I'll first use the spoolie to brush my hair downwards so I can clearly see on top and fill it in, and then I'll brush my hair upwards and I'll fill in the lower part of my brows, and then at the very end I'll use the spoolie one more time to spread the color across evenly so it looks more natural. To clean up underneath my brows, I'm using the PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shade Beach Sand, and to set it, I'm using my New York Master Fix Setting Loose Powder. I'll be applying some sticky tape to get those dramatic straight edges. To warm up my crease area, I'm first dipping into this peachy coldly shade Jellyfish from Wet n Wild Nautical Nonsense palette with my larger blending brush by Real Techniques. Next, I'm topping that shade with this Fanta Orange shade Pretty Patty, again from the Nautical Nonsense palette by Wet n Wild, and I'm blending it using my larger blending brush by Real Techniques. To intensify my crease line, I'm first depositing the shade Pretty Patty with the PAC brush in the shade 126, and then I'm blending it with my smaller blending brush by ABH Cosmetics. For my lid, I'm picking up this lime green shade Best Day Ever from the Nautical Nonsense palette on my flat brush by ABH Cosmetics, and I'm saturating the inner half of my lid with it, and I'm finishing it with my small short shader brush. For the rest of my lid, I'll be applying this shimmery green shade Me Money with my flat brush by ABH Cosmetics, and I'll be kneading out the edges with my small short shader brush. Next, I'm drawing out a small wing with my Lakme Insta Liner. For my lower lash line, I'm smoking out Me Money and Pretty Patty with PAC brush in the style 126. And I'm lining my waterline with a white liner. This one's by Flamour. To brighten my inner corners, I'm using this silver shimmery shade Mayonnaise by Nautical Nonsense palette with my smaller pencil brush by Real Techniques. For lipstick, I'm first applying Tease by Faces Canada, and then I'm topping it with this deep scarlet shade In Vogue, again by Faces Canada. And to set and seal everything in place, I'm using a setting spray, and this one is by PAC Prep and Prime. To complete my eye makeup, I'll be throwing on some falsies, but before that I'll be coating them with mascara, and this one is Total Temptation by Maybelline. And for falsies, I'm using the Sloshy High on Makeup Foam Ink Lashes in the style Breezer. And here is the finished look. I've paired it up with a saffron lehenga and some oxidized jewelry. I love how vibrant and colorful this look is, just like this festival. Let me know what do you guys think in the comment section, and if you liked this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left all the product information along with my socials in the description box down below. I love you guys so much, and happy Janmashtami to all of you. Bye guys.